This is a benchy, and this is an inflated benchy. This is a drowning benchy, and this is a muscular benchy. I have a lot of benchies. But why?
Not be surprised to see a benchy.
The 3D benchy.
Benchy boat.
Print a bunch of benchies.
It's pretty clear that the benchy's been well talked about. So, we first need to understand what a benchy actually is. But we're gonna watch this B-roll because it's satisfying. So yeah, this is a benchy. This is used as a test print to calibrate your 3D printer, and it has many different curves and arches to, challenge your printer. I'm not gonna pretend like I know more information, and I'm way too lazy to do more research. What you just watched was a benchy printed in less than 2 minutes. Yeah, less than 2 minutes. But as you can see, the quality's not the best. So you might be wondering, what could this new guy really make a video on? Well, we're here to find out how fast you can really 3D print a benchy. Okay, so we're going to start off with the A1 Mini, and I'm just going to set up a basic benchy print here, just so we can have our control group, and yeah, just enjoy the B-roll. So here it is. I'm just kind of examining the benchy to see if there's any imperfections on the print. Overall, I don't really see anything, just minus this arch over here. Yeah, I just see minor imperfections, but other than that, everything looks great.
Round 2, fight.
So we're gonna run it back again. It's the same exact model as before. Just the only differing factor is that I changed the speed settings to 166%. Overall, this thing doesn't look too bad. There's just imperfections over here and just kind of around the model. We're just going to take a look here and you can judge for yourself, like right there in the back, for instance. I don't know. I would rate this probably about a 6 out of 10 in terms of the speed and what you get for it. I'm opening up Maker World right now and typing in benchy to see if we can try finding a faster preset benchy. I just clicked the most popular model and I found a 12-minute benchy. So I'm going to download it here and load it up into Bambu Lab. We're done with the A1 Mini and it's time to level up to the P1P. We're just jumping right in with a beautiful first layer. Oh, something happened. That doesn't look good. Okay, this is concerning. Should I just leave it? I don't really know what to do. Oh, it's still going. Nice. And, oh, okay, it failed. What is that in the back? Okay, I'm just gonna take it off and we'll, I guess, take a look. Oh, okay. So, is this even a benchy? I mean, I guess it looks kind of like one, but, yeah. Oh, okay, that's spaghetti in the back. Very nice. Oh, and now it's hanging. Okay. I obviously need to change some settings, so that's what I'm going to do. And we're going to try it again. Okay, first layer looks fantastic. I think we're in the clear here. I was wrong. I was definitely wrong. Yeah, so this is still going up. No, it's not. Now it's just oozing out. I don't know what to do. Yeah. Okay, so this is a half a benchy. And now it's hanging. That's how we're dropping it into the shot. Yeah, I think it speaks for itself here. This is a failed print. Or, I would say, a failed blob.
Final round.
This benchy was printed in just about a second, and in the slight chance you don't believe me, here's the footage. I know what you must be thinking. This guy's super impressive and must have insane 3D printing abilities. I'm joking. This was printed in 13 minutes, and I guess the A1 Mini takes the cake. Subscribe.